how you doing? Welcome to my channel. I'm Joyita and today I'm doing a one brand tutorial, and for today I have chosen Try Sugar. It's an Indian cosmetic brand. It's pretty affordable and the formulas are really rave. So getting into that, this is not a sponsored video, but I received the products as part of PR since I was invited to their launch. And if you want to see the video from the launch day, you can click here. I got lip products and face products and brow products and different types of products. I didn't have an eyeshadow palette or foundation, so I am going to start with the base done because I don't want to use any other product in this video. And I did not also have the eyeshadow palette from that brand. They do have two fabulous palettes, so I have used the face palette to do this look. And if you want to see all the products that I received in PR, you can watch that video on my IGTV and on my Instagram account. It's joyita.pe. I've done this very simple soft glam kind of look, like a very everyday look with a very bold red lip. If you want to see how I did this look, please keep on watching. Starting with my brows, I'm using Sugar Brow Arch Arrival Brow Definer 02 Taupe Tom, which is an ashy brown cool tone shade to define and shade my brows. Start by drawing an outline with the brow pencil. Then fill them in from the middle. Gradually fade in the starting point with the spoolie for a more natural finish. Going into the Contour de Force face palette, I am picking up the contour shade on my brush. Follow your cheekbone to shade and give definition to your face. Take your time and blend it in so there are no patches visible. I want to darken my contour, so taking Sugar Mini Bronzer Taupe Topper and darkening the contour one shade darker. Since I don't have a Sugar eyeshadow palette, I'm using the Sugar Face palette to create this eye look. For the transition color, I'm using the contour shade, giving the crease a little more depth with the mini bronzer and blending out the edges with the blush. The highlighter is a perfect shimmery shade for the eyelid, and I'm using my fingers to get the maximum pigment payoff. Blending in both the colors with a flat fluffy brush. Taking the same shade and the same brush to highlight my brow bone and a pointy brush to highlight the inner corner of my eye. Taking the contour shade to blend out the lower lash line of my eye. I'm going for a dramatic wing eyeliner look using the blue gel eyeliner from Sugar. Going in with the gel eyeliner over top to make the color pop. going into the highlighter from the face palette to get a glow on the high points of my cheekbone. And some highlight on the bridge of my nose to bring out a chiseled shape. Don't forget the tip of your nose, because this gives the perfect glow in the pictures, and the cupid's bow. And here I'm applying the blush on the apples of my cheek. This is also part of the face palette. To complete the look, I'm using a matte red Longwear sugar lipstick. The shade name is called Royal Reddington. So this is my final look, and it's a daytime soft glam kind of look. Since I'm new to YouTube, I would love if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And if you liked watching this video, please press on the thumbs up button.